Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show all of you what I mean by song form or rondo form. In your GarageBand pieces, choose Software Instrument. I usually click out of the musical typing because I don't like to use it, but if you want to, you can. And then I've pressed O to bring up all of my loops that I have available to me. And I'm going to make my first chunk of time 8 measures long. So from measure 1 to measure 9. Now I've zoomed out a little bit on the slider here, and it looks like the software has already given me 8-bar chunks. So this makes my job pretty straightforward. I'm going to okay, there we go. I'm going to click on the sound that I want to use. So maybe to start, I want some sort of electric piano sound. I don't really like that one, so I'll choose a different one. Okay, I like this one. It's got some rhythm to it, got some spunk. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it to the beginning. Now, this specific loop only lasts for 4 measures, 4 bars. So I'm going to loop it all the way until it gets to 9 bars. Right? This is 8 complete bars, and it sounds like this. 2, 2, 3. You can see over here it's counting the different bars and the beats. So now we've completed 4 bars, onto our 5th, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, off. Now, from here to here, I'm going to call this my A section. I want a B section from 9 to 17 to be different. So maybe instead of using an electric piano, I'll do something different. Let's just kind of find a cool saxophone. Now I don't have too many cool instruments here downloaded. You'll have more than I do, but let's hear what this saxophone sounds like. No, I don't like that. That's a little sappy. How about this one? No, I don't like that one either. Okay, so I'm choosing one that is to my personal tastes, but there's no wrong answer when you're choosing a sound. Okay, let's try a guitar. No. That's cool, but it's a little short. Okay, so I'll do this one next. And since it's only 4 bars long, 4 beats long, I need to expand this, and this will be a little repetitive. Alright, so if I have my A section here, I started my B section here, and since it's kind of repetitive, as you'll hear, I want to maybe layer in a different sound. So maybe I'll choose a percussion or something like that. I'll go to my percussion section, check this Congo. Oh yeah, I already know I want that. Some people will get real creative with their layering. I've seen students do some cool patterns where they have where they'll have a section play and then not play, and then another section play and not play. It's pretty cool. I've seen students do that. It just kind of looks interesting from a creativity standpoint on the digital audio workstation, which is this space here. But it also sounds cool. So okay, so I have my A section, and now I've completed my B section. Let's see how it sounds. You know what? I'm actually going to interrupt my own thinking process because I'm thinking that we need some sort of cool sounds here. Alright, so let's try one more time. Okay, so that's kind of cool, I guess. I like it. It's good enough for this project right now, and for thinking about it for a few seconds, I think it'll do the trick. I'm just changing some stuff around. So I've completed my A and my B section. Once you've done that, the format I believe was A, B, and then C. So I'm going to take these two sections that I've just made, and I'm going to put them again. So now my song is already 32 bars long. It's pretty great. A, B, A, B. The next thing I'm going to do is make my C section. This is something that ties everything together. The C section is about 4 beats long, or I think, 4 bars long. But it can be as long as you want. That's the beauty of music. It just has to be stylistically different from the A section and the B section. So maybe we'll really change it up. You know, we'll have some sort of no, that's not cool. Some strange like bass riff or something. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna put that there. Make that 4 beats long, 4 bars long, excuse me. And I got my maybe I'll have like some kind of percussion thing intro. Yeah, like that. I've only layered 2 things. You can layer as many things as you want. Okay, so now I've got A, B, A, B, C is right here. And I'm just going to copy and paste my A and B, my first 2 A and B sections, and put them after the C section. So this song now, I'm going to zoom out so I can see the whole thing up here. This is what the song looks like, right? You can distinctly tell the different sections, and you can distinctly hear the different sections when we play them. Okay, so from the beginning, we have our A section. B section. Back to the A section. Here's our B section. Now we're coming up on the C section. That's pretty sweet. And the A section one more time. And back to the B section. So one thing I noticed that's going to drive me crazy, and I don't know if all of you noticed, was my C section wasn't quite as long as I needed it to be. I needed this to be 1 more bar. So I'm going to highlight all the rest of my stuff here. I'm going to move it over 1 bar. I'm going to make that 1 more bar. so that everything is aligned. There. Okay. Alright, so now my whole tune is completely done. I'm going to share, export song to disk. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to call it Mr. Santoro's form. And export it. This turns this GarageBand file, which is saved as something called a .zip file, which is a gigantic file, saves it as a .mp3 file, which is a much smaller file and easily shareable on the internet, which is where you'll need to post. You'll post this on Google Classroom. Okay, here's boom. There's the final work. Google Classroom it, and you're set. I hope this tutorial helps a little bit. You don't have to make an overly complicated song. It just has to follow the form. Good luck to all of you.